being in Mombasa. Kenya as one of the best tourist attractions. Hey, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. So on today's video is a super special video. On this side of today, I'm actually in Mombasa, Kenya, and Mombasa is one of the cities here in Kenya, Africa. Actually, it's the second capital city in Kenya, Africa, and also is the only coastal city that we are in over here. So today I will be sharing with you what's the best of Mombasa and how the vibrancy is in the end of 2024. So welcome, and ensure subscribe, you like, and also you'll be much to see what's happening on this other end. Remember, it's road to 30,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate your love and support. So I'll be giving you what we call like the quick tour of this area, from the market, from how people are around here. It's actually sounds like a market day, but it's not really a market day. It's just the vibrancy, how everything is obvious, and we will be really moving on this other end. Now this is how it is, and we'll be traveling around here just by bus. We'll be using matatus a little bit so that we can just make what we call like a journey, just a small trip around this city. So enjoy the beautiful white and blues city. And also, I'm not alone over here. I just met with my fellow village boys, fellow village mates around here, and we just decided that we want to come on this end, and we want to give you a short vlog of Mombasa, Kenya. Most people have been asking why showing also doing indoor videos, and you really have the potential to travel and show us around. So today I was like, okay, enough is enough. Let me just come out and share with you what's happening over here. We have been missing, I know you have been missing these vlogs, traveling around, traveling vlogs, sharing with you what's happening on this other end, the noisy of the markets. But let's just enjoy this and give you some tour of what is happening around. And for sure, for real, you'll be enjoying Mombasa, Kenya. Alright, so let's go. Okay. The city compared to the capital city Nairobi, Mombasa is a little bit lazy. I'm using the term lazy to just share with you how in the streets is like just people walk majestically. People walk majestically, no hurry, no rush. But in Nairobi streets, you should be seeing people moving, walking up and down with a supersonic speed, like jet-like speed. But in Mombasa, we just move cool, slowly, with no rush, and that's called Mombasa. So let's enjoy and share with you what's happening around here. And to put that aside, just enjoy the vibrancy. The climate here, or the weather, is today it's gloomy, and of course it's always as hot or humid. That's what we say. So let's keep on moving. On this end, you'll tend to see most of the buildings here are painted in white and blue. Reason being, Mombasa itself has been the coastal part of Kenya. So the color itself symbolizes the water body that is near here, which is the Indian Ocean, all right? Okay. In terms of culture and in terms of religion, we'll talk about in terms of food. We will talk about the weather. We will talk about everything around here. Mostly, let's start by the culture. Most people who stays here, they are most of Swahili people, but in Mombasa in general, we call it's a cosmopolitan area or a cosmopolitan city in which people from different areas, they come here to just enjoy and see. Some make business, some come to study, some come to just do what we call like have some researches in this area. So of course the inhabitants of this area are Swahili mostly, and some of the remnants of the Arabs that came over here by the ocean or by the sea, we can say so. They remained here and they just conquered over there, they dominated. So it's more of Swahili. On the other end, when we talk about in terms of religion, we will be moving around and we will be seeing most of the mosques, which symbolizes that the most of Muslims over here. And yeah, and when we come about in terms of men's attires and ladies' attires, most of the ladies who are Swahili on this end, they put on buibui, which is called, it's like a veil. Is it called belt? Alright, it's crossing time. Sorry, Papa. So on this end, men are subjected to put on kanzus. Men are subjected to put on kanzus, and ladies are subjected to put on clothes which are from the top like this one. That's how you see. So yeah, we will be learning and we'll be sharing with you what's happening. Let me not talk much but show you much of the city. All right. These are tuk-tuks that are mostly in the city. This kind of tuk-tuks is the most type of means of transport with small matatus. Matatus are these cars that can carry 14 passengers, and they're literally paid. You can pay maybe according to the destination where you are going. Like this one, it's the best transport system that. But what has dominated much is this kind of transport system, the tuk-tuks. But on the other end, they are called rickshaws. People call them rickshaws, but here they are called tuk-tuks. So that mostly share with you the vibrancy and the best types of what we call like transport system here in Mombasa, Kenya. Not only that we have this, we have motorbike, we have train, we can have airplanes, we can have helicopters here, we can have private sectors of what we call like private cars, but mostly the public ones we use tuk-tuks, motorbikes and matatus, and sometimes little by what we call like buses. Minimal is buses, but in majority we use tuk-tuks and motorbikes and matatus on this end. All right, let's share with this. I want to make a U-turn. I want to just use the zebra because sometimes, you know, moving from one side to another, it's really crazy, but it's good to follow the rules and adhere to the rules by crossing by using the zebra. So all right, we will just try and see. Let me wait and check on this other end how everything will be. All right guys, and most of the graphics or graffitis, okay, relax bro. All right, most of the graffitis we have on this other end, we have to just follow the rules. So I just came from the other side, crossing to this end so that you can enjoy the view of Mombasa, Kenya. It's really a cool, nice city, but mostly it's not as vibrant as Nairobi, Kenya. I can't compare it with Nairobi, Kenya, because here it's more of cool vibes and Nairobi is more of vibrancy, heavy, hectic, cool, not really cool, but very rough motion. So from here I'll be taking you to one of the most prominent what we call like icons, the standing icons of Mombasa, from the standing statues, and we'll be enjoying the views. All right, and also I'm with some of my village mates around, so we will be sharing with you, also enjoying what we call like, they will be giving us some regards about what they think about this area as they reside in Mombasa. All right, let's go. So guys, we are in other side. As I told you, in Mombasa we have most of the roads and places that are named after people who were here those days back, and also we have some of the prominent icons that were left over here that symbolizes best of the parts of Mombasa, Kenya. So we will be literally heading to a place over here which has best of what we call like prominent icons on the roads. We usually call them Pembes and Novo on this other end. Like this area, you see, it shows you Kadir Fadha Road heads this way. It's a name that was named after somebody who was over here, you know. So just enjoy, and from this side heading to this end, we are literally heading to Pembe Zandovu, or Pembe Zandovu Road. Pembe means horn, but we call them tusks. You know, sometimes while you'll be doing what we call like just translating direct, what we call like direct translation, sometimes you might end up doing what we call like having less in your English. So this is what we're going to share with you, right? Okay. Yeah, literally these are what we call like tusks or horns. They're called elephant tusks. On the other end, you can call them elephant horns. It depends literally with your type of English that will be here. But this is the best area that Mombasa is really changing. And since the other time, Mombasa has been one of the best cities that is regarded for just touring and for tourists to just come and enjoy. And of course, I'm not alone. I'm with my friends here. And also they want to tell us more about what's happening and more about the elephant tusks. All right, mister, it has been a long time. Introduce yourself, bro. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you're good?
I'm so good.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself, guys. This is actually, I'll let him introduce himself, but it has been long time ago. When I was starting my YouTube channel, actually, he really hosted me over here at the first time. That was last year
in
2022, actually 2022. And yeah, we really motivated him also to start a YouTube channel, and also he really learned about doing YouTube. But recently he got some few things. Sorry guys for the noise. But he wanna introduce himself, man. Hey.
Yes, guys, how are you?
Yes.
My name is Rich Edward.
Yes.
I'm also a YouTuber.
Yes.
Yes, I just do traveling videos like my brother here, Claude Joseph.
Yes.
Actually, there are some things that I'm working on, but I'll be coming fully there.
Okay.
Doing videos because I love doing videos so
Yes.
that I can entertain you.
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So tell us more about Mombasa. How is life in Mombasa, Richard?
Actually, life in Mombasa,
Yes.
no money, no surviving.
No money, no surviving.
No money, no surviving.
No money, no honey.
No money, no honey. Because
Yes.
everything here you need to buy.
Okay.
There is no shamba that you can cultivate.
Okay.
So that you can grow your maize
Okay.
or anything
Okay.
that you can eat. So
Okay.
you must have money
Yes.
so that you can buy
Yes.
foodstuffs
Yes.
and even everything. I can
Everything.
say needs money here.
Everything is money.
Yeah, because this is a city. So people are doing the business to make the ends meet.
To earn the ends meet. All right, guys. Maybe you can tell us more about the over here where we are and what we are doing.
Okay, this
Yeah.
is Mombasa task.
Yep.
This one was built as a symbol.
As a symbol, okay?
When somebody is in Mombasa, when you show this symbol, they know that this is the real Mombasa.
The real
Because
Mombasa.
Even the advertisement
Yes.
are being used by this symbol. This is the Mombasa task. But these are made of the iron.
They're made of the iron.
Yeah, they have been more than 50 years. They are very old.
Okay.
They are made of iron. So this is just a symbol showing how Mombasa is really a city
Okay.
of attraction.
All right, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is how you're able to see how Mombasa is. And also I want to give you something very special from this end on the other end. So we are in Moi Avenue. Actually, this is the road that connects to Kilindini Harbour. And of course, for those who know what Kilindini Harbour is, for most of the Kenyans, they know Kilindini Harbour. Kilindini Harbour is where you actually things are being shipped from different destinations of the world through water. Then they can come and be picked up. So from this end all the way, go to Moi Avenue. Also heading to the Digo. It's called actually. It can be called the Digo Road or Kilindini. That ends all the way to Kilindini Harbour to the other end. All right. So from this side, you see there's a very good direction of what you call like tusks. They are called. They can be called tusks or horn. How are you, man? Yeah. So they can be called tusks or pembes and ndovu. So this end actually marks the best monuments that were built by the British, you know. But on this end, mostly the history here is really big. But I will just touch to what I know and to what I just learned also those days back. So mostly let's just download it on the head as we talk about this. All right. Yeah, so on this other end, actually guys, we are in this mostly best monuments actually in Mombasa, Kenya. This over here are called Mombasa tusks or pembes and ndovu in Swahili. And actually we are on this road called Digo Road that heads all the way to Kilindini Harbour in Moi Avenue actually. So this side, these tasks that you see over here were being erected here by the British royal family. Those days back in 1952, when the Queen Elizabeth II paid a visit in Mombasa, Kenya. We call like the British royal family actually. So when they came and paid a visit here, actually this became the best monuments that they left here. In later 1956, the Mombasa Municipal Council decided to build these tasks with what we call like the iron. That's why you see they erected here to just mark the most iconic monument. And also this has really played a big major role to Kenya as one of the best tourist attraction. Did you know that? So most people come to pay a visit through this area as they'll be heading on this other end. On the left side or on the right hand side, we have a park where is one of the best place. When you come pay a visit, you can just come and relax over there after maybe a long walk in the city, or most loitering around the city. You can come and relax at the other end. So, but this is what you see. So come along with me as we see what is happening over here. So let's pay a visit. If you really know that you are in Mombasa, this is what makes people know that or realize that you are in Mombasa. Mostly starting from this other end. So the whole of the tasks, like you see over here, they're the one that built here. But now this is what we call like the iron sheet. It's just a symbol. You know, as I told you, I gave you a very valid history about in 1952. Where the royal family paid a visit in this end, and later on, sorry about that. Okay, and later on they did what you call like this was raised to just mark as a mark or as a structure of this other end. So we'll be giving you some tours around as you really relax and enjoy our tour over here. Also, I'm not alone. I told you I'm with Liege Edward, and also with True Boy. Yeah, how are you, man?
I'm good, bro.
You great?
I'm great.
How are you?
Everything is cool.
Are you enjoying Mombasa?
The walk in Mombasa town?
Yes.
Yeah, I was on a phone call, a long phone call.
Yes.
That's why I haven't yet participated for a long time.
Okay.
You know. Anyway, I'm so happy being at this. You know, this is one of the like let's say.
Yes.
It's a symbol. Whenever maybe someone sees you here, it shows that you are in Mombasa.
Okay.
So it plays that big role like a symbol of our second capital city of Kenya, which is Mombasa. You know?
Yeah.
With me, this is my second time being here.
Yes.
It's a lovely place.
Are you enjoying Mombasa?
I'm really enjoying Mombasa.
Okay.
And anyway, I think people will ask, when did you came go to Mombasa? Anyway, I'm so happy because someone gifted me a trip to Mombasa.
Wow, nice, man.
After a long journey that I've undergone when I was building the house.
Yeah.
You know, like it's not easy. Then someone told me, "True boy, I just want to pay you a trip to Mombasa." You know, then who I am not to come to Mombasa?
All right.
At least I can swim the salt ocean water.
Ocean water.
Yeah.
It will be so nice and great.
Then from there, we are going, I'm sure like January, we are going to resume our work.
Okay.
And now we are going to concentrate once again. We are going to renew our energy so
Okay.
that we're gonna finish my house.
Okay.
Not we, I'm gonna finish my house. You know?
Yes.
So I'm just over here, enjoying the ride, enjoying the walk and everything.
All right.
Thank you, Mr. Cindy.
Congratulations, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, guys, subscribe to True Boy 208 and also Liege Edward over here as we keep on giving you some best tour in this area. So let's go and explore. All right. And literally one thing with you have to cross, because I saw this so hard to run and rush. And also one thing you'll come to know, the more we are heading downwards, the more less people, the more less concentrated places are, because we came from the other end, from Digo Road up there. So we are literally at Glendin Road as we are heading down. So we want to go check what's happening on this other end. So the more we are going downwards, the more less people are. So, and also this area looks like the showrooms where most of people mostly come to just buy their cars, and you can just buy and drive. See, maybe some days I want to come and have a clue of how much can it cost to buy a car in Mombasa, Kenya. So we want to check also the prices. Maybe you can go. You see how people are rolling with Grand Cruisers, TX large. Yeah. And one thing I came to learn with Mombasa is the painting. You know, most of the houses here are painted white and blue. White and blue, white and blue. So I'm not really quite sure, but with me, according to my little knowledge, I really know that it's because of the water bodies. So comment down below and I really know what's happening. Oh, we see here it's a trusted Toyota showroom, so you can have just your best what you call like car, and we just drive home safely, slowly by slowly. That's how actually it mostly goes. So let's keep on moving, and we'll be really trying to check on other stuffs, what's happening on this end. Less people on this end compared to the where we came from. Yeah, so guys, we are really moving on this lane. We actually the dockyard lane. Actually there's a harbor down here. As I told you, I want to just give you a quick tour of different places here in Mombasa in 2024 before the year ends. So Richard will be enjoying this and will be like, oh nice, I've been here, or I've been here through CJ's, what we call like through CJ's video. So all the way we see your ships or your cargoes that usually come, they come from this side, all the way heading to the other side where we came from. All right. So this is the dockyard actually, where most of the things that are shipped maybe from UK, from America, from India, from wherever, as they use what you call like the sea or ocean, they are being docked over here, and then those heavy trucks, they come to pick them from this side. You see, you know, everything that you see over here, food stuffs. So over here, if here they are shipping actually mostly clothes, food stuffs that you see that we are exporting and importing, they are being brought here. Medicines, yeah, drugs that you see, actually let's call them medicine, because when you use drugs, people will be like, eh, maybe electronics, cars, they are being shipped with these containers.
Even cars?
Yeah, even cars. They are being shipped inside here. Yeah, like this one now is being taken. Yeah, the owner has just ordered, so it's going now. Yeah, so but it's really big. Maybe one day actually we will come and have an access inside, then we can really talk about seeing what is inside. But yeah, if you want to ship, maybe you wanted to ship a car to CJ, you can ship it. We have we can come to Mombasa and pick it from here. Yeah,
Here.
Yeah, you can come and ship it from this end. Yeah. So don't be afraid of shipping stuffs over here. So, but it's only that it will take long, but it will arrive safe. Yeah.
Why should it take long?
Because it's the sea. No, it's the sea. Sea shipping, you know, it's slowly by slowly. It can take even like 4 months, or it depends with how the ship is coming. Yeah.
or how far from
Yeah,
from
yeah.
where it's coming?
Absolutely. Okay. So this is the Kenya Port Authority over here, around here. As you can see, the other side we have the anchorage. So yeah, and the cars are really moving up and down. All right, the big trucks, huge trucks. Yeah. All right, guys. We just came from behind here from the port, and all this place you see over here, all the way through, they are just showrooms for cars. All you see, they in everywhere. Up to the other side, we'll be heading to Digo area. Mostly it's a showroom for cars, because the harbor is just near here. Wow, have new cars. So let's go to the most concentrated area also. Hope you have enjoyed this other cool area over here, the Pro Box. Wow. So we can just keep on moving and exploring this other end until we see where we'll be heading on this really side. So let's go and see. All right, the other side of Mombasa, Kenya.
Yes.
Mombasa
Kilindini
in one.
Plaza.
Up front is Kilindini Plaza. Kilindini
Kilindini.
is the biggest harbor here, right?
Yeah.
Kilindini, yeah, is the biggest harbor. So let's keep on exploring, guys, and we really check on what's happening on these amazing streets of Mombasa, Kenya. Very nice. We are now walking back to the tusk, to Mombasa tusk, or what we call like elephant tusk. All right, let's keep on moving. This side looks cool compared to where we are moving, actually, to the more concentrated. So I want to cross just that. I want to walk over here so that I can show you the really beauty of this area as we are walking towards Mombasa tusks, you know. So wow. So this is the really city, how it's developing since the old age. These houses like this you see, it was built in 1933 and still is standing strong. So most of the houses here are being renovated, still being renovated as we are heading to the new generation. Wow, this is new overseas Chinese Korean restaurant. Maybe some days I wanna come and enjoy. Oh wow, somebody enjoyed with his new car, a KDS, you know. So let's keep on moving as we are really moving towards this area of Mombasa. At this festive time, you can just say, I want to move to Mombasa. We wanna come here and enjoy some Swahili cuisines, different foods from different places. Like here we have also Chinese Korean restaurant. You can come and try some different type of fishes over here. And some days I wanna take you to Forodhani. It's one of the best places, actually, the old Mombasa now. Here we are in other side, or in the other wing of Mombasa. So we will be really moving. Let me wait and check on this. Oh, and just to close by. All right, let's go. We will be really moving to the other end. Mombasa is really developing, and it's really moving in a very nice area. All right. Okay. And most of the plants that grow here is this palm, different types of palms or palm trees that really makes Mombasa become Mombasa. You know, wow, look at this machine. It's called off-road Jeep. Wow. This is a real off-road car. You know, as I told you, this is one of the most touristic area, or one of the tourist attraction that was erected here those days back in 1952 to commemorate the visit of the royal family. That was Queen Elizabeth II. So yeah, and the elephant is the symbol of this. Some days we want to come here and have some best nice pictures, as we will be walking all the way through this beautiful city. It's the second beautiful and is the first city which is the oldest city in Kenya, but Nairobi surpasses it with some tall skyscrapers. Mostly here it's being dominated by the Swahili and Arabs, you know. Hey, these people are really even advertising. Look what is happening. Brotherhood Association. Oh my God, things are really changing over here in the world. People want to have other things in the world. Oh, crazy. So let's keep on moving. Now here we are moving towards Digo Road, upwards. We are moving towards Digo Road. We came from Trindin Harbour down there, so we're heading through the Moi Avenue over here. As we keep on moving to the city, beautiful, nice city, the city of whites and blues. I guess no one has ever showed you this. Wow, the cool breeze from different areas. A nice 04. It's called Club 04. It's actually evening time and we are walking over here on this area. Alright, let's keep on going, and we'll be sharing with you what's happening on this end. I really miss this time of vlogging in the city or walking around, rather than making some indoor vlogs. So it's better I move on. I want to close. Oh my God. Okay, I want to just use this one downwards, then go the other side. I don't want just to move this way. Oh, okay. Right. It's better you follow the right procedure rather than rushing up and down and then you knock down. Okay. So have another property here for Uganda, guys. You see, we have Uganda property holdings over here, so we have another property for Uganda in here. Remember in Nairobi there was a property of Uganda house and it was really burnt down. Also we have another one over here, and I guess this was a property those days back when they were building what we call like a railway. They were building it all the way from Mombasa over here all the way through to Uganda. So I think this is one of the most oldest, also oldest what we call like property over here. Yeah, when the colonialists came to just start building what we call like the train or the railway, actually call it railway. So yeah, so let's keep on moving. Oh man, Mombasa is beautiful, and with its climate, oh man, best of the world. It rained yesterday night but still okay. Now we are moving to the more concentrated area, the city center actually, where most of the houses are being built. We're heading this way. We'll be heading to Old Mombasa. So you can see here we have different types of flags. We have Uganda, we have on this other end, and also we have a cathedral church over here. Let's use this area. This is a Catholic Cathedral, Holy Ghost Cathedral, Mombasa, over here. Wow. Let's use this. Yeah. We are working with the village boys. Let's walk. So yeah, there's most concentrated area, guys. We have been walking, and let's keep on walking all the way through. All right. I recall this area very well. It has some of best what you call like banks, you know, all the way heading downwards. It's really crazy. Look at the sky. Oh, okay. True boy. You're so surprised. Look at the crown.
I like it so much.
You love it?
Yes.
Okay, look at this crow. It's going to fly. It's a small crow. It's a crow. You know? Most of the crows are around here in Mombasa.
What?
Crow bats. Yeah. Kenya Beauty Star. Maybe you can go down this way. Can we pass down here, or you want us to go to proceed? We will be heading up to Old Mombasa, but maybe we'll be Old Town.
But that was far.
It's not that much far. It's just near here. But let me give you. I'll be able to give the best exploration of how you see around here, guys.
Yeah.
This is Mombasa 2024. As we are ending the year. Oh. So yeah, let's keep on moving, guys. There's a really nice area here. Even we have some driving schools on the other end. But mostly, I think most of this area, the what you call like photography is being prohibited. But let's keep on moving. Those days back when I came here, I was vlogging down there, and they were not allowing of photography. But let's just wait and see. I'm just sacrificing these guys to just share with you what's happening.
What is being protected down there, maybe?
I think most of the houses, let's pass this side. Most of the houses had what you call like were still just renovated. Like this one is still under renovation.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. Sorry guys, this guy was parking his car, so he had to move. See, most of the houses. You see a house like this or a mosque, it's just I think a mosque.
Yeah.
It was being renovated. Like those days when we came, it wasn't this way. Yeah.
Now it's very smart.
Yeah, for now it's very nice and smart. For now, you cannot understand that this house has been for here more than 100 years. Yeah.
Not really, bro.
Huh? It has been here for more than 100 years.
Are you sure?
You remember, old town Mombasa was here in the 1901. There's a house here that was built in 1901, in 18 something. Still, you can see like this is being renovated right now. Guardian Bank. All right, guys, let's keep on moving and we see what's happening. Okay. Wow, Mombasa, Kenya, very nice and great.
Yeah.
She's around. I was vlogging.
Oh, really?
Look at this lady, guys.
What is Minhawi? Minhawi!
Where is he? Tell her, where is she?
I traveled. I went to Lamu. I went to Nairobi. And I came back yesterday.
Guys, just see who I met over here. And I was just exploring.
I'm from the governor's office. That's where I work. Yeah.
Governor's office.
That's our office.
Guys, I know now I can have now a better connection over here.
You know, I wanted to say, like, I've missed coast, actually.
Oh.
I traveled. I went to Lamu. Lamu was nice. I went to Nairobi. Now I'm back in Mombasa.
You are back in Mombasa.
Yeah.
Guys, I don't know why. Every single time when I come to this area, I remember the first time I met you, I was 1,000 subscribers.
It was in this road?
This road near Gunduria Road.
Yeah. I remember.
I was at 1,000 subscribers.
Yes.
And I was just maneuvering around. I just met you. Anyway, how are you?
I'm good.
Introduce yourself, tell people who you are.
Hi guys, so I am Miss Pongo.
Yes.
First of all, Minhawi.
Yes.
I've missed you, my sister. I'll come. You know, tomorrow is holiday, actually.
You can come pay a visit.
We are coming for a long weekend.
You can come
Plus
for us.
now, we have a lot of Iyala games going on, activities. So we county, we are occupied.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, subscribe to Miss Hong over here.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'll be so glad to have your people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also we are moving around.
Waiting for the baby girl. I can't wait for you. I can't wait for you to be a dad.
The big dad.
You know, actually, I knew that you had those your brother's kids. I knew that you are children.
And my children.
Yeah, because the way you take care of them.
I'm a dad for everybody.
What a coincidence.
Anyway.
I'm happy to be back here again.
Very nice, and also I'm happy to be back home. This is my home.
This is just a random
walk.
A random walk.
What can you tell people about Mombasa? For those who are watching us.
For those who are watching, welcome to Coast. Welcome to Mombasa Raha. Raha means like how do you call Raha?
Raha is just enjoyment.
Yes.
Total real enjoyment.
Total enjoyment, and I'm happy right now. The weather is also good.
Very
it's
nice.
Not that hot, it's not that.
It's just medium, yeah, medium.
Come to the coast, enjoy the sand beaches, you know. And another, most importantly, it's the only place that you can film with your phone.
Everything.
You can record anywhere.
No rush.
No rush, and people don't even bother. They don't even know what you're doing in the first place. So guys, you're welcome to the Mombasa. Come and enjoy.
All right, let me not make you talk. We're just moving over here. And also,
it was a pleasure meeting you.
Pleasure meeting you too. I'll just deliver the message to Minhawi.
No, but she's going to watch.
Yeah.
Minhawi, I'm coming for you. My henna for Lamu is already disappeared.
It's already disappearing.
I wanted to come and...
Actually, you are the first person who are taking Minhawi to go and do a tattoo. This is the lady who took Minhawi to do a fake tattoo. They did a fake tattoo.
Yeah, actually people came for me. I went got scared. Like that girl, you should just avoid her.
Why?
Avoid that girl. Well, she drew you somewhere here.
On the palm over here.
I wish people knew where I wanted her to draw you.
But anyway, thank you so much for meeting you.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure meeting you over here.
And
just coincidence.
Like a tuk-tuk.
Right here.
No, there. Then I told the guy, no, wait, I'll walk till there, then I'll take a tuk-tuk.
Wow.
I was waiting for you.
You're waiting for me to come and just we see. All right, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Beatrice Hongo. Let me just keep on moving, and I can end maybe my video over there.
You've been blocked.
Yeah,
I will look for time. I'll come.
Okay.
Because we are going for a long weekend.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Sorry guys, I just kept you waiting. I was talking to Beatrice Songo. Okay, let's keep on moving. All right guys, we were moving on this other end just randomly, and I met Beatrice Hongo over here. Hey, look at these Suzuki cars. They look nice. Yeah. Very great. All right guys, and also there's gym for boys for just can just start on working over here. All right, true boy, enjoying all this being in Mombasa.
Life is so sweet, bro.
So in the evening in Mombasa, we have a place where we have a free gym like this here. So you come and then you do something for free. So yeah, you come for free gym. Something for free gym over here. Hold, true boy. You wanna just walk there? Okay. Yeah. Suppose you do this way. Free gym.
That one.
Come, just do extend up. Hey, it's crazy. Also, you can come over here.
It's not easy, bro.
It's not easy. Something like that.
Yes. It's like everybody's exercising all over, guys. Enough.
Yeah, so guys, we are ending this video from this side. I want to say thank you so much. I just came from the gym. It's a free gym actually in Mombasa. Yes. It's actually a free park. It's called Treasury area. It's a free park, and over here it's the office of the governor. Actually, we have some offices over here. So I just came from this other end, and I was just making some I was gifting my body the best exercise ever. That was, guys, to make my body active. And also say something, bro, before we end.
Yeah, we are coming from this place known as Treasury Square. It's a recreational place. You see how beautiful it is.
Yes,
we have got a good time, and we appreciate it.
All right, man. Yeah. Subscribe to Lige Edward, and also to True Boy.
Okay, this is Mr. True Boy over here. We are doing a little exercise, and now our bodies are a bit we were stretching like the muscles.
Okay,
so we are done with it. Yes. We are leaving back. We are going back home. Thank you so much for watching with us.
Yes,
please subscribe. Road to 30K subscriber.
Yeah,
and also remember us here.
Yeah,
True Boy 208.
Yeah,
road to 5K subscriber.
for sure, guys.
Yeah, one love, much love, guys.
I've burnt
Be
my
blessed.
absolutely. I've burnt my calories. Now, time to go back home. Roll to 30,000. Bye, guys, and enjoy Mombasa, Kenya. All right.
Sama tadi kau kemu, mau jalan kau kemu